This set is by far one of the most shocking. You're looking at a real airplane. This is a Boeing 747.
747.
It was purchased and destroyed all for the crash site in War of the Worlds.
747.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Stephen had.
Again, to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. That's right, girl. Now listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Robbie, get in. Get in.
As we leave War of the Worlds, we've got about 10 minutes left in our tour. If you have a medical emergency or you need assistance, pull the red emergency cord and I'll come back to help you out as long as it is safe to do so. We're headed towards our